Back to my channel. So sorry if you hear some noise. We're in the car to go to someone's house to go get a puppy. We probably are. We're not sure, but I'm not going to go film the house. Oh yeah, we're gonna go look at it. We're probably gonna get it.
What the
I'm
heck?
not going to go film in the house because it's somebody's house and it's kind of weird. I'm pretty sure they don't want my neighbor like film in their house. So let's go. We are leaving the campground. We're gonna get the puppy. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's like a yellow lab.
Hey, there's
So
stuff
little.
on Chris's truck.
So cute.
Alright. Okay, so we out there.
I'm like nervous to like not get the dog. My dad, if my dad doesn't let me get the dog, if we get the dog, it's staying with my dad because my dad has work and he has a camper. My mom has a house, so like because it's my dad's job, he has to like travel all over the place. I don't know.
Alright, listen to me.
Yeah.
If I say no, it's no. Alright?
Okay.
Brain,
1.5 miles. I'm so excited.
They hate it. They don't have money for that.
gonna film. Okay. I'm not gonna film inside.
No, I don't see the baby.
Look at the mama!
Oh, mama's baby.
Daddy, come here! Oh my god. Daddy, wait, come do this. Look at the mama. Hey, precious. Oh, you're such a cutie, mom. Oh, my god.
Does mama like the water?
That's my golden retriever. You're lucky someone backed out literally yesterday.
Oh my god.
That means I'm up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just like baby.
Yeah, 5 kids.
This thing is so cute. Look at how cute. It's so precious.
Do you guys love her?
There was, Mom, I want to go see the kittens.
I like her. She's fat.
They had little kittens that are like this tiny. I'm not even kidding. Mom, can I please go see the kittens, please? Mom, can I please go see the kittens?
Yeah, you never know.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Come here. Oh, she's
Turned out really pretty.
She is pretty, the one out back.
Body's not looking.
Oh my god, I'm literally in my heaven. Hold on.